Hello everyone, my name is Jorge Narvaez, and this is my family.
Man, don't put it in my face.
Girls, can you come help? Alexa, can you fill a water bottle?
It's a team effort, that's what it is, it's team effort.
Elian, can you put some sunblock on Aaron, please?
Yeah, I got you.
There's nothing easy about having a family of 5. You know, there's always some form of chaos. But that's part of the process, right? And being patient with it. That is also a parallel with the idea of nature. You can't control nature. Those things we cannot control, let them be.
Good, let's go, come on.
You ready to go fishing?
All right, let's go, guys, come on.
When I was a kid, my dad used to take me to this mountain, and we would go fishing there. And I remember sitting with him for hours, and he was teaching me how to fish. It was a good bonding experience. My dad had an issue being around, and if I can think of any good memories of my father that I've had all my life with him, those are probably the best ones when I was fishing with him. Those early experiences, they really taught me a lot about the action of being at the present moment. And these past couple of years haven't been easy at all, but that's why I'm doing all this, is to remind my kids and remind myself that we gotta get out of our heads. We have to get out of our heads. And I just want to make sure my kids remember what it's like to feel alive, to be alive with nature.
Reel it slowly and then tug it.
Okay.
Seeing my daughters smile and seeing them just kind of have a good time, that's what makes me happy as a father, to be able to provide these types of moments to my family. To connect this wonderful experience we've had in the water, right, as a family, and teaching my kids the value of food. It brings a really interesting perspective, because if you see where your food comes from, then at least you learn how to value it more. And fishing with your family is a great way to do that.
Look at that, okay?
If I could summarize this whole trip in one word, is reconnection. Reconnecting with them, reconnecting with myself, and reconnecting with nature. And we can't wait to do it again.